Hello, my name is Amarinder Singh. I am an iOS developer. Today we will learn about the combine. So in combine we will learn about observed, observable and publishable, right? So let's start. Let's create one new project called learn combine and okay, now the project is created. Let's start. Let's wait for a preview. Okay, so now we have a one hello world application. Now you can see we have a hello world text inside a text, right? Text view. So suppose we have two files, right? We have one another class and we have to fetch this text from the another class. How we will do? Okay, let's create one new file called Swift and content view model. Okay, here we can create one class called content view model, right? Now here let's create one variable called text is equal to hello world. Now let's create a object for this class, right? Because we have to show the text here, right? We will create one object called view model is our content view model. Okay, right. Now if we have to fetch, we call this as text, right? Now you can see we have a text from the content view model. Let's go inside and change the hello worlds so we can see here the change, right? Okay, let's run it inside. Okay, now we will run this inside a simulator. Okay, it's running. Okay, now it's running, right? Hello worlds. Now suppose we have to get the change, like we have we have here button called action is our view model dot text equals to, I call it as empty, and label is tap me, right? Text and tap me, right? Let's see the preview. So now what it will happen when we tap on this tap me, it will change the text in view model dot text to empty. Let's see. Okay, it done, but you can see we not have any change, right? We still have a hello worlds. So what we will do for this, we will go inside this and make this as a observable, and let's go inside here and make is observed object, right? Let's see now, is it work or not? Oh, it is still not working. So what is an issue? We have to go here and make this as a published. Now we are inside our preview. Tap me. Oh, cool, it worked, right? So I hope you understand, right? We just make a one class called content view model, and then we made it's a subclass of observable object, right? Then we created a one variable called text as a published, right? Then we created object of the content view model called observed object, and then we just change the value from the button tab, right? And we see the change here. If we run this in a simulator, let's see. Okay, cool. Now first we have a hello worlds. Now we tap on tap me and it's empty, right? Okay, cool. I hope you enjoyed. Please do subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please don't forget to tap the bell icon, and if you have any query, please do any your comment, right? Thanks.